Hey, how's it going, my fellow Pixel fanatics? And just giving you guys a quick update on the Google Pixel 10 and how things is going so far with it. And I got questions about that. Things like, does the Pixel 10 overheat for me now? And to answer that question, no, it doesn't overheat for me at all whatsoever. Of course, temperatures outside is getting warmer, so I should be able to do some more testing and see if it just starts overheating for any reason. But I can tell you guys, it really doesn't. And it's something that I use every day. It's my daily driver device. So yeah. Another thing is camera quality. Has camera quality changed up on this? And just to tell you guys, no. I still, take some photos with this for the gram and stuff like that. Which, if you guys want, you guys can follow me on gram. Link will be in the description. But the photos that I take and everything, I think they look really good, and they are social media worthy in my opinion. So I have no problems with the camera at all whatsoever. No problems at all. Recording video. I've been making some YouTube shorts with the Pixel 10, if you guys want to know. So if you guys look at my main channel and check out the shorts or the short form content I have there, it's shot with the mostly with the Pixel 10. As far as it being on QPR3 beta 2, have I noticed any hiccups or anything like that? No, not at all. It's been just running smooth and just fine. Everything still functions and performs the way that it did day out of box. So I have no problems there at all. Yeah, question if I'm going to get the Android 17 betas when they come out on this device. And the short answer to that is no. I will be putting that on the Pixel 9a to be bringing you guys, well, not here, but on my main channel to bring content about Android 17 and just how it's shaping up to be. But that'll be on the 9a that I'll be putting that on. This will it'll remain on 16 until full-fledged 17 drops, and then I'll update it. All my Pixel 10, just playing it safe and everything. It is still a phone that I really enjoy using, and I'll tell anyone out there, there's a lot of videos and people have, their opinions on it about the cameras, the size of the camera sensors and whatnot, but just someone that's using the phone, and from my daily experiences using the phone, this is a great phone. It really is. And I could go pro. I could have gone to 10 Pro, but honestly, comparing the 10 Pro to this and just my thoughts, this made better sense to me, because I'm all about the savings and saving money. The Pixel 10 is just fine. It's still doing great. I have no problems to report to you guys. So with that being said, thank you guys for getting me to 70 subscribers. We're almost to 100 subscribers, so I appreciate that. If you guys want, you guys can share this video to friends and family, people that might be interested in wanting to know more about, like, not just the Pixel 10 but other Google Pixel devices, especially some nostalgic throwback videos. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys very much for it. On the road to 100 subscribers. Let's keep it going. But as far as I'm concerned with the Pixel 10, great phone, and it's still doing just fine. No problems. Hopefully that answers some questions about the Pixel 10 currently in the beginning of 2026.